everyone, Sparkle Sprinkler here. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you are returning, y'all, welcome back, and thank you for continuing to support me here. I have another Amazon unboxing. I have 4 special shape diamond paintings and 1 off canvas diamond painting. This is part of the haul that I made. I don't know, y'all, it's been a month or so ago. We're just working through it. It was quite large. As usual, it's taped to the, I don't know why they tape it to your diamonds. Okay, this one, I paid $3.99 for this one. Looking for, there's my pen. I was looking for my pen. Okay. I love this one, y'all. It is so pretty. Not sure how I feel about them folding these in half. Sometimes it's hard to get these cover sheets smooth. 7 colors on this one. Let me zoom in. Boy, I got a hot mess going on, Donna. Mercy. Look how pretty that is. Okay, we've got yellow, green, that's kind of a lime green, light turquoise green, standard black. These are blue, AB rounds. I don't know if I'll use those or not. Not AB rounds. Well, yeah, they are AB coated. But they're plastic. I don't know if I'll be using these or not. We'll see. May change them out for a rhinestone. Yellow marquee, and then these are those kind of pearl type. They've got a silver back, but they're pretty. I'll just put those blue plastic ones on and see if I like them. If I don't, then I'll take them off, put some rhinestones on. This one was $3.99 as well. I got this just to put in my binder. I got some things that says happy birthday and such, and I got this just to put in my binder just to have. I think I've already got a copy of this, and then that way I can give it, you know, for birthday gifts along the way. This, taping this to these diamonds, y'all. It's a booger sometimes to get it off. Okay. This one has 14 colors in it. I have a couple of sets of gnome off canvas that's birthday cakes. They're very, very pretty. Full of rhinestones. I have a couple of sets of those too that I can give as gifts. Look how cute. For you to be a good birthday gift for a little kid, you know, that is into dinosaurs. Hot pink, orange, beautiful blue, clear, yellow, dark blue, light purple. That is a light gray, a light turquoise. It's kind of a darkish lime green. It's not really olive, but it's close. That is a light salmon. These are AB rounds, yellow rounds, and purple marquise with the AB coating on them. Pretty, pretty, y'all. Okay, and then we have this one. This one was $4.99. I have a copy of this in my binder somewhere, and I wanted another one. Just because it's so pretty when it's finished. I've done it once, and I've got another copy. I know at least one copy. I wanted to make sure I had another. I hadn't seen it on Temu in a while, so I saw this on Amazon for $4.99. I said, I'm gonna get me another copy of this. It is beautiful, and I love working on this, y'all. It took me a couple of days to do this. All of these flowers are diamond painted. It took me a couple of days to do this one. So if I want something that's going to last me longer than an evening, pull one of these out. We'll get a closer look at this in a minute when we get finished with all the diamonds from the other diamond paintings. This thing is beautiful. It has 12 colors. Clear, yellow, that is a light yellow, green, purple, red, orange, beautiful dark blue, gold rounds, blue marquise, clear AB marquise, and red AB marquise. This thing is beautiful when completed. $4.99 on it. And then this one was $3.99. I have seen this in full rounds before, but it was always in like 40 by 40, 6 by 50, and I figured that the detail could be too much for that small of a diamond painting. I never got it. I never have found it bigger than any, you know, any bigger than that. I think I got another copy of this as well. Look how pretty that is. Beautiful. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 colors in this one. Dark green, light pink, a light yellow, lime green, clear, it's a light pink, close to medium pink, burnt orange, lighter green, that is a light gray. When I compare it to that, yeah, it's a light gray, yellow, a darker pink, AB pearls, and gold stars. $3.99 on that one. And then I have one off canvas, and I paid $3.49 for this one. Figured this would make a good gift. It comes with a chain and Sander toolkit. On these, y'all, be sure to keep your diamonds with your off canvas. I store mine in mesh bags because these do not have labels on it, so you don't know what diamonds go with it. Okay, this has also got a protective film on the back. Peel it off, and it's clear when you're done. Look how sweet this is. Let's see how many colors they gave us. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 colors in this one. Standard black. Pretty thick bag of clear. Same with red, green, yellow, light champagne, pink. This is a darker red. This is darker than this one. Orange. These are red rounds. They're a little bit bigger than your standard. These are a little bit bigger than these, and these are bigger than these. You got some clear stars, and then you got some larger clear stars. So 2 different sizes of clear stars. I love the stars, y'all. Some of my favorite diamonds. Okay, let's get a closer look at these. Look how pretty this is. It's going to be beautiful. Here's the back. It's not diamond painted. Okay, we have this one. That was $3.99. Look how pretty. Y'all, I love these diamond paintings so much. You know they're going to turn out all right. You know, you don't have to worry about how is this going to look. $3.99 on this one. They're quick. They're easy. You don't have to think. Just sit down and relax with it and not have to keep up with symbols and colors and 50 and 80 colors at a time. Nice break from those large diamond paintings. Then we have this one. This thing is amazing. All of these, I'm going to go split it here and go through so you can see. Let me zoom this better. Get it to focus for us. Someone should be able to see this painting. Look at all these flowers. So many diamonds in this thing, y'all. It is beautiful when completed. $4.99 on this one. And then these last ones for $3.99. Look how sweet that is. Love it. Well, if I could get it back in the bag, there we go. Okay, and then here's the honeybee. I love this one. Look how sweet that baby is. Look at his eyelashes and its little wings. So pretty. Okay, y'all, that's going to do it for this one. I will have the product numbers in the description. Just copy and paste it into Amazon. If you have any trouble at all pulling the numbers up, just let me know and let me go back to my order and see if it's still in stock. If it is, then I'll just leave you a direct link to it, okay? I don't know. I don't shop Amazon enough to know if they sell out. Do they bring them back? Do they sell out often? I don't know. I don't shop enough there to know. The only reason I got this haul is because someone that I know called me and asked me if I'd seen some of the diamond paintings. You've already seen some of them, and I told her no, I hadn't, but I'm glad that she called me because I ordered a ton of them. I love them. So that's the only reason I've shopped Amazon. I have some in my binders, but as you've seen so far through my binder viewings and flipping through them, I don't have very many Amazons. I just don't shop it that often. Okay, y'all, that's going to be it. Y'all take care, and I will see all of you tomorrow, okay? All right, bye-bye.